Well, I come out here to check on one of my swarm traps in the woods, and it looks like I got success. Yeehaw! This is the trap I have at my son's house. Hey guys, welcome back to Rick's Bees. Looks like we caught us a couple swarms, so I'm going to have to go and retrieve those in the morning and bring them back to the bee yard and put them in their new home. Well, we got the boxes home, got them in their new location, and the weather is supposed to get bad today, so I can't transfer them, but I'll do that as soon as weather permits. If you guys want to see that, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.